What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome to Fix My Home channel. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel if you like to learn how to fix a problem around your home or home renovation. Today I want to install this Better Living. So as you see, it's for shampoo, conditioner and body wash. So I'm gonna install that here. This is the bathroom I just remodeled. I just installed the shower door, so I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can check it out. So I want to install that right here. So we're gonna untie this first. As you see, it has an arrow, so you have to turn it that way. And now we take the plastic off. So it comes with the silicone and the double side tape. As you see, we have a 4 place to put the double side tape, and we're gonna add the silicone all around here. But before we do that, we're gonna go to the shower and clean the towel with the alcohol. So we can install this on the wall. So I measure from the door. When you close the door, I measure from door to here, and here is the middle. And I put the middle of this here. So you can put that in the wall, and also you can put that in the corner. So whatever you like. So I'm gonna install, I like to put it in the wall because there is more surface to the wall. But in this case, because we have a tiny space, we're gonna install that in the corner like this. So I'm gonna put the tape here in the corner and the other side, and put the silicone only in the corner. So I already cleaned the area with the alcohol, so I'm just gonna put the silicone and tape.
Shake it, baby.
I slide that thing off. I slide it off, as you see. So now you can push it with your finger to make sure it's solid. It will be solid. So now I'm gonna put that back and let it dry. There you go. So you have to wait 24 hours to let it dry, and after that you can fill it up with the shampoo. So make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem in your home and how to remodel your home without paying anyone. So thank you very much. Have a great day.